Hi, my name is Ekaterina Pchelnikova, and this is my application task for HyperAllen 2021. I'm a constant learner and a mom of 4-year-old son. Education is something that can tremendously change your life, open new horizons, and be a place where you will find your best friends and sometimes even your family. I want this place to be accessible for everybody, be cool, modern, and a room for peace and help. The actual education system was built a long time ago to help industrial society to prosper. Now, it's old-fashioned, boring, and not cool. Our schools and universities can no more hold us motivated, engaged, and give us hands-on tools. Educational institutes are standing now beyond huge challenges to what they haven't been prepared for. But what if we'll rebuild this picture from scratch by changing the way of studying? What should we do so that students can become more engaged, motivated, and curious? How can we make education accessible for all and include more emotion, purpose, and meaning? Let's see how. To do this project, I based my design process on the design thinking method by aiming to eliminate the most important shortcomings and hack the code by finding out the efficient, innovative, and simple solution. To be more objective, I did survey in 3 languages and convened 4 face-to-face interviews to teachers and students from different continents like America, Europe, Australia, and Asia. Here is more specific data about the research scope that you can check afterwards if you want. I was pleasantly surprised by the rate of educational system. I personally expected it to be worse, less than 50%, but the average rate is about 66, which is not bad. While conducting a survey, I did a benchmarking of different educational platforms to figure out the actual picture of what's in use right now. Based on research data, it's interesting that Zoom, Teams, and Google Meet are on the top. Meanwhile, it's not an educational platform, it's services for video calls, file storage, and simple collaboration. That's it. After a week of survey, I gathered all results together and emphasized the main good and bad things. Based on my research, I decided to focus on the following shortcomings. Too many different platforms, boring educational process, low motivation, low support, lack of personalization. So, what I eventually did? To make it simple, I established one common LMS platform that should be potentially used by all educational institutions. To increase motivation, engagement, and make education cool, I framed student journey in a game with progress check, challenges to take, badges system, and secret point on his her way. To put everything in one place, I mimicked real life and put everything related to education in one place, by adding all life aspects that you have in our real schools and putting them all together with a realistic and interactive design on the main screen. To improve personal support, I changed teacher role by deleting the lectures and focusing on mentoring and practical collaboration within workshops. To highly increase and accelerate feedback to personalize learning, I implemented artificial intelligence technology by building constant feedback from student to teacher on the facial emotional recognition. Camera constantly tracks students' emotions and give a teacher the average emotional evaluation that you can see on a monitor, so a teacher can easily adjust working process based on the real data and improve engagement. As a plus, students do not need more to tap the button to raise a hand. Camera will track it as well. To wrap it up, I want to share with you my reflections. First of all, I would like to thank HyperAllen for this opportunity to work on this specific subject. Maybe without you raising this question, I will never do this in my life. Going through this exciting project, I would name some main things that I learned. Be open and susceptible to every person's feedback. Try to research with people with different backgrounds. It will give you much more insights and help to design a more accessible product. It was not easy to tell teachers that I'm going to change their role. People don't like to step out of their comfort zones. To hack something well-known and long time existing, it's not enough to be brave and do something cool. You need to have a strategic eye. And don't forget to have fun. There is no other way to learn. Thank you. I hope you've enjoyed it.